Hi everyone, my name is Blake Bejarano, and today I'm going to show you how to enable automatic deposits for using the CoCalc platform's pay-as-you-go services. You can see I'm at CoCalc.com. I'm going to head over to my projects. And now we can navigate to the upper right-hand corner and click on Account. And from the menu items on the left-hand side, select Pay-as-you-go. And here you can enable automatic deposits and set the amount that you'd like to keep your balance above. Select the minimum deposited amount, and then also you can limit the number of contributions that are given during a day, a week, or a month, and then also a maximum amount to add per week, day, or month. And again, you'll want to make sure that this switch here is flipped to say enabled, and then you could click Save Changes, and then OK. But that is just a quick tip and trick on using the CoCalc UI. Please like, subscribe, and follow for more, and I will see you next time. Thanks again.